Hi, welcome to today's post-market analysis, and let's see the what possible trades we could have taken today, and how the market behaved. Yesterday we know it was a huge downward trending day, and today the CPR is very wide, which indicates uh, a possible sideways day. So when the opening, right, you can see though the candle is showing as red, so we should not go in the same direction. Rather, we should look for a trap trading, which traps all the short sellers thinking the market will go down again like this. So, second candle, you can see whatever the short sellers are there in the first candle, immediately it took all the stop losses and reversed. So, when it closed above, just above the previous day low, and closed above the first candle high, I think this should be our entry. So if you enter here, stop loss should be just below this, okay, and your target should be minimum this. So it is almost like 1 is to 1.1 or 1 is to 1.2, so which is not a very great risk reward. So I think though we found a trap trading here, since there is no risk reward, we should avoid the trade, because if you take here, we should chances of nifty reversal will start from here or here or here, so we don't know where it will reverse. So the CPR is huge actually. So if you see from 400 to 480, almost 80 points for between each CPR levels. So another entry would be a CPR. So there will be a reversal from here, from the CPR, especially when it is moving continuously. So you can see here it is taking resistance at the mid CPR. So this will be like two huge entry for entry here, stop loss above this would be very huge for a profit of this one, again day low or a previous day low. So second probable entry would be here. So this candle is too low. I think you can keep the stop loss above this, and you can try to book the profit here. So you should reduce your position size to half. If you are taking 4 lots, you should only take 2 lots in this trade. So here it almost worked out to be 2. This actually should touch here, but this didn't happen. Almost it came to previous day low, and it reversed. So if you haven't booked your profit, maybe here your stop loss would be hit. So this breakout again we can take as an entry, but again this is like late afternoon, and also bank nifty is still facing resistance at the CPR. So this is kind of again low probability. So other than that, no possible entry. But if we go to bank nifty, this behaved like beautiful price action, you can see. So first candle again shows, though its body is green, it is kind of huge sellers are there sitting at the previous day low, and immediately the very next candle closed just above the previous day low, which indicating again a trap trading. So third candle, you can see, you can enter here, keep your stop loss here, and aim for the CPR next resistance. So your profit is 1 is to 2. So you have achieved your 1 is to 2 risk reward. So first trade is positive, which is plus 1% you can consider. Okay. Second trade would be, you can see this. So actually when it is continuously moving up, there is a chances of reversal from the resistance whatever is there. Here resistance is CPR. You can see, I mean, when you say resistance from CPR, it can reverse from here or mid CPR or top CPR, but we don't know where it exactly reverses. For that, right, you can go to the another reference point, which is like, you can see market when it had a big fall earlier, it was trying to consolidate sideways to positive, and it is trying to go up. See, for this trend, this is the support from where it has actually bounced, and it never actually touched that. It was respecting that support. So market again tried to retest that same point here. Okay. So when it actually tested that level, so that would be your very perfect and beautiful entry. You see, your stop loss is only this much, but look at your risk reward. You can aim for day low actually. Sorry. You can aim for day low, but it almost touched, right? But not completely came. I personally entered here, keeping my stop loss here, and I have entered somewhere around here. Okay, so which again gave you 1%. If you are taking minus 0.5% as stop loss, 1% is your target. Okay, so two trades in Bank Nifty where we have very small stop loss here, very small stop loss here, your reward is so much. Stop loss is very small, your reward is so much. Okay, so +1 and +1. So no stop losses hit today, fortunately. But out of these two trades, I personally have taken only one because I was waiting for more probable trade, because this level, this is not a reversal from here where you can consider this as a demand zone or supply zone. So price actually has stopped here. So compared to this, right, this would be proper entry. Okay, so this is high probable trade, this one. Okay, so that's why I took that second trade, not the first one. Okay, that is the analysis for today. Coming to tomorrow, for tomorrow these two levels are going to act as a very good, very important levels. I will move this, I will move this here. Okay, so this is a demand zone for tomorrow because the price had a huge bounce from here, and this will be supply zone because price had a huge supply from here. So tomorrow, if it is flat opening, based on the opening and opening candle and where a market is opening, see if there is flat opening and you are seeing a bullish candle like this, better to go long and keep a stop loss and wait for this level to be broken. If it is bearish candle and it is coming down, you should wait for the retracement, and you can keep your stop loss above the CPR and then wait for the short trade. If not, if there is huge gap down and there is bullish or bearish candle here, right, based on the candle formation which is breaking out from here or breaking down from here, you can enter here, keep your stop loss here, enter here, keep your stop loss here. So based on the opening and first candle and the opening price action, you can take the decision and then trade accordingly. So that should be trade plan for tomorrow. I will adjust this. Okay, simply we should follow the price action. Since this is not a huge demand or supply zone, I think we should better mark this level instead. Okay, so this will be our demand zone because it had a huge bounce. Again, it never touched this point as well, it bounced from here only. So looking at last 1 hour price action, it should open positive tomorrow. Seems like today's low is the low for coming sessions, but we can see the price action and take trades accordingly. If you see at higher level also, right, so generally price tend to move around 20-day moving average. I think there is some gap between price action and 20-day moving average. We have to see after touching that if it again continues to fall further, or there can be a reversal taking the good support here and it can like stay sideways. Okay, so we have to be careful tomorrow because tomorrow we have Nifty expiry, Bank Nifty expiry, and Sensex expiry. 3 expiries are there, and that 2 monthly expiries. We should be very careful because in that kind of days the market tend to be very volatile. So we have to very carefully watch the price action and take it, not to be in a FOMO and then miss out. Another one confusing thing is, so Bank Nifty tomorrow is having wide CPR, but Nifty is having Nifty is having wide CPR, Bank Nifty is having narrow CPR. This indicates a trendy day and Bank Nifty Nifty indicates a sideways day. So that is another tricky day. So considering all these things, I think it is better not to trade because we are in profit. So we can skip trading tomorrow. If at all we are taking, we should be on lighter side, not like everyday position size. So position size should be carefully kept and stop losses should be carefully kept, like we had today. Very small stop loss and reward should be more. So those kind of trades we can risk here. Otherwise we should stay away from market tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.